In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the issue of not receiving the DeepSeek verification call. If you're facing this problem, this tutorial is for you. Just follow these easy steps, and you'll be able to solve it. When signing up for a DeepSeek account, you'll need to enter the verification code sent to your email. However, sometimes you might not receive this code. This could be due to a high volume of users trying to register, as DeepSeek is gaining popularity, which can cause delays in the registration process. For example, here I have the DeepSeek app open. After entering your email and password, you'll click on the Send Code option. Normally, the code will be sent to you, but you may not receive it right away. If that happens, wait for about 60 seconds, and you'll be able to request a new code. Simply give it some time. After waiting for 60 seconds, you'll notice the option to request a new code will appear again. Click on it, and after trying this a few times, the verification code should come through. Be sure to check your Gmail and make sure you're logged into the correct account. You'll likely find the verification code in your inbox. If you're still not receiving it, the registration process might just be too busy. In that case, try again later, and you should eventually get the code and be able to complete your account creation. That's how you can fix the issue of not receiving the DeepSeek verification code. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.